You must have played tug of war. Sometimes both teams try to pull the other team, but no team moves an inch. Then what happened to all the forces? Both teams are applying same amount of force. Two forces of same magnitude are cancelling out each other. So when two forces cancel out each other, hence cause no displacement, they are called balanced forces. Like in this case, both teams are applying same amount of forces, so no team move an inch. In second case, however, the first team applying more force, so force applied by the second team could not balance out the force. 400 minus 300 equal to 100 Newton force pull the second team and they lose. Unbalanced forces cause displacement because one force is bigger, so that doesn't get cancelled entirely. Unbalanced forces can explain many events in real life, like why you float wearing a swimming tube. Because it is full of air, so it is very light, but it displaces lots of water because of its size. Weight of displaced water is greater than the weight of the tube, so you float. When the tube floats, it means the buoyancy force is greater than the downward gravitational force which is pulling you downward. So you float because of unbalanced forces. When a rocket lifts off, the upward thrust created by the engine emission is much larger than the weight of the rocket. The difference of forces is very large here. One force is winning against another force. But when we balance weights, we actually balance two forces because weight is a downward force, isn't it? So look here, two weights are cancelling out each other. But when you play on seesaw, the heavy person goes down because of his weight. Here also one force win against another force means two forces doesn't cancel out each other completely. That's why some movement occurs. In fact, whenever we apply any force in real life, almost every time another force would be acting against it. Like when you lift a bucket, gravity is pulling it down. If a force gets balanced, then it makes no changes. So whenever something moves, something changes direction or something changes shape, it is unbalanced force at work.